Morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can set lock screen wallpaper in laptop. In the previous video I have shown you how to put wallpaper on the desktop like this, but now in this video on the lock screen how you can keep a wallpaper. So on the desktop, right click and click on personalize. So here is the personal interface. See here, personalization. And one more way you can open this personalization settings. You can click on Windows and then double click on settings. So this will open the settings, and at the left side you will see this personalize option. Either way you can open. Right click on the desktop and click on personalize directly, or click on Windows symbol, then settings, and here personalization. And see here you will find this lock screen option. Tap on this, and there are some available photos already, wallpapers already. You can select one of them, or you can choose a photo. You can browse from your local computer internal storage. So there are few images available on my laptop, so I'll select one among them. So I'll select this one, this mobile wallpaper, and see here, choose picture. Okay, this gets loaded, and the preview we can just look at the preview here. It's right here. See, this is the preview how it looks like, but I'll lock my computer and I'll show you. What I'll do is, and one more option, lock screen status, we can keep calendar or the weather or something like that. So yeah, I just want to lock my laptop. Okay, yeah, Windows L, and my laptop got locked. See here, this is the lock screen wallpaper. So in this way you can actually set the wallpaper for the lock screen on the laptop. It is very simple. It is just a two-step process. See, this is how it looks. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you like this video, please do hit a like.